Dear students, let us see one of the positional measure of central tendency, that is median. What is median? Median is the middlemost observation in a data when data is arranged in ascending or descending order. It is denoted by capital M. Median means what? This is lies at the center of the data. Middlemost observation of the data is called the median. So to find out the middlemost observation, we have to arrange the data in ascending or descending order. So the middle observation is called the median of the data. Half of the data points are smaller than the median and half of the data points are larger than the median. Here the 50% of the total frequency lies below the median and 50% of the total observation or total frequency lies above the median. It is a positional, means what? If this is the total frequency, then the median lies at this center of the data. This is here the median, and here if total frequency is total number of observation is n, then here n by 2 observations are here and here n by 2 observations are here, and this is the median n. This is the median. This is the median. So you will see the more details by taking an example. So question is, find the median for the following data. This is the problem. Find the median for the following data. So first we have to define what is median. So to find the median, we have to arrange the data points from smallest to largest or from largest to smallest. If the number of data points is odd, the median is the middle data point in the list. If the number of observation is odd, that is 3, 5, 1, 3, 5, 7, then the middle observation is the median. If the number of data points is even, then the median is the average of the two middle observations. Then the median is the average of the two middle observations. So what is the formula for the median? Median for ungrouped data. Median for ungrouped data. This is the median for ungrouped data, and we have a formula for median. So what is the formula for median? M is equal to value of n plus 1 divided by 2th observation. So rather than taking two formulas for a median, and this is the simple formula for the median, which will give the median for any data, value of n plus 1 divided by 2th observation. So first we will find out the median for this data. So solution. So this data is given. Suppose this is a solution. Find the median. Question is, find the median for the following data. What is the median? Median is the middlemost observation in the data. For that we have to arrange the data in ascending or descending order. That is, ascending means increasing order and descending means decreasing order. So first we have to arranging the data in ascending order. We have Ascending order means what? First you have to take the smaller number, smallest observation. Here the smallest observation is 4, this is 5, this is 6, 7, 8, 9, 9 and 10 is here. 10, then 10, 12, 12, 13, 15, this 15 and this 20. How many observations are given? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So here, take small n is equal to number of observations. How many observations are given? Number of observations is equal to 11. 11 is odd number. Odd means Vishama Sankhya, like 1, 3, 5 and all. Okay. N is odd. So then the median M is given by, capital M is given by, capital M is equal to value of n plus 1 divided by tooth observation. N plus 1 divided by tooth observation means what? This is the value of, what is the value of n? N is 11, 11 plus 1 divided by 2 the observation. This is equal to 11 plus 1 is 12, 12 plus this is value of 12 divided by 2th observation. This is equal to value of 12 divided by 2 means what? 6th observation. So what is the 6th observation here? Count from left or from right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Sixth observation is the median. This 9 is the 6th observation. So 9 is the median. Or you can count from the left side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And this is the 6th. This is the median M. And this lies at the center of the data. See here. Below this median 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 observations are there. That is 50% observations are there, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Above this 9 or to the right of this 9, 5 observations are there. So this is 9 is the middlemost observation. This is the central observation. So central observation is the median. So median for this given data is 9. Do you understand, students? Okay. We will see one more example. Median for ungrouped data. Now, what is the formula for median here? Formula for median is value of n plus 1 divided by 2th observation. So question is, find the median for the following data: 391, 591, 407, 384, 1490, 2488, 672, 522, 753 and 777. First we arrange the data in ascending order as. So we have to take smallest among all this is 384. So we have taken 384. Next smallest is, so we have taken the smallest among all this. This is 384. Next smallest is 391. So we have taken here 391. Next smallest is 407. So we have taken 407. Next smallest is 522, 591, 672, 753, 777, 1490 and 2488. So here n is equal to number of observations. How many number of observations are here? Count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 observations are given. So 10 is even number. 10 is even number. Sum sankhya. So what is the median then? Median is given by, median m is given by value of n plus 1 divided by 2th observation. Value of n plus 1 divided by 2th observation. N plus 1 divided by 2th observation. What is the value of n for the given data? Value of n for the given data is 10. So 10 plus 1 divided by 2th observation. So 10 plus 1 is 11 divided by 2th observation. 11 divided by 2 means what? 5.5th observation. 11 divided by 2 is 5.5. So how you can calculate the 5.5th observation? So to calculate the 5.5th observation, we have to take first one value of the 5th observation, that is 5th observation. Then this 0.5, this is 0.5 into next observation, that is 6th observation minus 5th observation. This is the formula for calculating this is the way to calculate 5.5 the observation. So taking the first is value of the 5th observation plus 0.5 into 6th observation minus 5th observation. See here, what is the 5th observation in the data? Count. This is first, second, third, fourth, fifth. Fifth is 591 and sixth is, this is the 5th observation. This is the 5th observation, 591, and 6th observation is 672. So 5th observation is 591, 0.5 as it is. 6th observation is 672 minus 5th observation is 591. So 591 plus 0.5 as it is into 6th observation is minus 6th observation, 672 minus 591 is 81. So 591 plus 0.5 into 81 is 591 plus 40.5. 0.5 into 81 is 40.5. So when you add these two, 591 plus 40.5, you will get 613.5 is the median value. 613.5. You can see 613.5 here. 613.5. Here comes the 613.5 here. This lies at this 613.5. See here, from this 613.5 average of these two observations, because n is number of observations are even in number. So adding these two, 591 and taking the average of these two, 591 plus 672 divided by 2 is nothing but, this is nothing but 613.5. We can calculate 613.5. So this is the median. In short, this is the median. This is the median. So in this way we can calculate the median for a ungrouped discrete data. Hope you will understand. Thank you, student. In the next lecture we will see median for a grouped data. Thank you.